Here it comes. Pah!
From the Carolina Hurricanes with 34 saves, hit goal.
The first star of the game is Antti Raanta, and he is going to be on the bench with our Albie LaBar after that 34 save performance.